ISTQB Foundation Level, question 621. You are testing an e-commerce system that sells cooking supplies such as spices, flour, and other items in bulk. The units in which the items are sold are either grams for spices and other expensive items, or kilograms for flour and other inexpensive items. Regardless of the units, the smallest valid order amount is 0.5 units, e.g. half a gram of cardamom pods, and the largest valid order amount is 25.0 units, e.g. 25 kilograms of sugar. The precision of the units field is 0.1 units. Which of the following is a minimal set of input values that cover the equivalence partitions for this field? Answers: A. 10.0, 28.0, B. 0.4, 0.5, 25.0, 25.1, C. 0.2, 0.9, 29.5, D. 12.3. Take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to don't miss new ISTQB questions and answers that will help you guaranteed enhancing your skills. Join us on this learning journey. If you find value in that I do, and my videos help you, then you have the option to donate through the links in the video description to I can release new videos on ISTQB questions on a regular basis. According to ISTQB Syllabus, to achieve 100% coverage with equivalence partitioning test design technique, test cases must exercise all identified partitions by covering each partition at least once. Pay attention, this is an equivalence partitioning question, not a boundary value analysis question. Don't mix up these black box test design techniques. The most important thing is to determine the equivalence partitions correctly. There are three equivalence partitions: invalid partition too low, 0.4 and below, valid partition 0.5 to 25.0, invalid partition too high, 25.1 and above. It is necessary to apply the equivalence partitions test technique correctly. Correct answer is C. 0.2 covers invalid partition too low. 0.9 covers valid partition. 29.5 covers invalid partition too high. Each of these three equivalence partitions are covered in this set of tests. All the rest of the answers are wrong. Answer A is not correct because these tests cover only two of the equivalence partitions. Answer B is not correct because these tests cover the two-value boundary value analysis test design technique, not equivalence partitions. Answer D is not correct because this test covers only one of the equivalence partitions. My recommendation: please don't mix up black box test design techniques. The most important thing is to determine the equivalence partitions and boundaries correctly. Explanation. Finally, let's look at the section 4.2.1 equivalence partitioning in the ISTQB syllabus, where we can see that equivalence partitioning EP divides data into partitions known as equivalence partitions. One test for each partition is sufficient. A partition containing valid values is called a valid partition. A partition containing invalid values is called an invalid partition. To achieve 100% coverage with this test technique, test cases must exercise all identified partitions, including invalid partitions, by covering each partition at least once. This is fully consistent with our solution and the correct answer C. Maybe this question seems complicated at first glance, but after practicing with the help of my video channel ISTQB Questions, you will quickly learn how to answer such kinds of questions and prepare for the ISTQB Certified Tester Foundation Level exam. Don't stop, never give up.